Pigeonhole principle is, we know that is a simple principle, right? It's given in three different modes, right? Principle one says, right, we have already done this. Just I'm writing this thing like we have to use this every time, right? And obviously, this extended to the graph theory only. Now, when m plus 1 pigeons enters m pigeonhole, right? There must be one hole having more than one pigeon, right? That's a basic, simple, direct principle, right? Obviously, you are saying you have 5 pigeon holes and 6 pigeons you have. So at least one hole must be there that will contain 2 pigeons, right? Second principle says when m plus 1 pigeons enter n pigeon holes, into finitely n pigeon holes, right? Then we can say finite value of, then there must be one hole having at least m by n, this is greatest integer, plus 1 pigeon. This is again the direct one, right? And the third, we can use these two, right? Later on, I'll go for the third one, right? That's called the partition method, and the partition method will come with the graph theory. So we'll go with the graph theory of that, right? And one question I'm writing, 5 workers receive wages as 1,500. Each of them want to buy a cassette player costing 320 rupees, right? Prove that at least one of them must wait for next paycheck to make his purchase. This was our question, right? So we are starting from this only. So please go with this, everyone.
So what is after must?
What is next paycheck to make his purchase? This was the question now.
Yes.
Right.
Sir, I've sent that to you.
Very good, Aryan.
Sir, is my explanation correct?
Just a minute. Yes. Just numbers. Check your numbers. I know what you want to write. Yes. They're getting total of this 1500. Done, everyone?
Sir, I've written I've written how we can implement PHP into the solution. That I've
Very good. What is the problem in this? Reserve.
सर इसमें हम अज्यूम कर लें कि सबको इक्वली एक बार डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया तो मिनिमम सबके पास 300 300 300 जाएगा। उसके बाद अगर ऐसे अज्यूम कर लिया कि एक कोई हमने कम दे दिया और बाकी चार को इनफ दे दिया कैसेट के लिए, हम स्पेशल केस बना रहे हैं ना, तो वो स्पेशल केस से हम प्रोसीड कर सकते हैं या फिर वैसे ही होता है?
Always we have to go for the extreme case.
ओके सर।
This the extreme cases when we are saying ki we are giving 320, 320, 320, the maximum they can purchase the cassettes. So I'm giving 320 to each one, right? So
then
if
then
I
220s are left.
five people will get 320 and total is 1600. So we are not able to reach to 1500, right? Means at 220 is right, something 200 left in that, right? Means fifth person, fifth person, like he has not all the money to buy the cassettes, right?
ओके सर, एक्सट्रीम केस वही थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है कि
Always you have to go for the extreme case.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Always we have to go for the extreme case, and from that extreme case we have to come up with the solution exactly what's like what would be the pigeon and pigeonholes are going into that. Okay.
यस सर।
Okay, everyone. I guess this is a simple one and direct question. Just the confusion is ki like we have to go for the extreme case or not. So I hope, right, you all are getting this.
Sir, you had given this question last class.
Yes, beta, that was confusion. Okay. So Next, so this is the basic pigeonhole principle, right? From that only we have to see exactly, right, the basic of the questions. Next question, I'm going in this. Fine. This is the application part of pigeonhole, right? So find the maximum number of elements of a subset L of 1 to 3 up to 1999, such that the difference of any two distinct elements of L is not equal to 4. Determine maximum number of elements of subset L 1 to 3 up to 1999, such that the difference of any two distinct element of L is not equal to 2. Take your time, right? You have 3 minutes for this, then we'll discuss.
Saurabh, you will not.
No, beta, not at all. Take your time, take it easy. Okay. Anyone? So could you explain this, Sanjana, please?
Sir, what I did was that like there were the 1999 numbers in total, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I assumed of taking two out of that.
Mm-hmm.
So it's so basically I've done 1999 C2 and I subtracted from the total number of seats.
Okay. Then how we will be ensuring that the difference is not divisible by 4? Difference is not 4. Think again, beta. Think again. Yes. Kavyam. Reserve.
यस सर.
Yes, beta.
सर पहले तो मैंने नंबर्स को ग्रिड में इमेजिन कर लिया 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then I saw that if I take any number more than 4 like 4 से ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स लिए like from if one row से मैंने चारों एलिमेंट्स लिए then only it is possible या फिर एक सेम कॉलम को रिपीट नहीं किया मैंने then only it is possible कि उनका डिफरेंस 4 नहीं है. तो 4 से ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स लेंगे हम तो फिर रिपीट होने के चांसेस है उसी कॉलम में.
ठीक है. Good.
सर इसीलिए मेरा आंसर किया है.
अरे मतलब सीन है. मैंने फर्स्ट नंबर 1 ले लिया, सेकंड 10 ले लिया, 20 ले लिया, 30 ले लिया, 40 ले लिया, 50 ले लिया. कहाँ डिफरेंस 4 आने? How you'll get the difference 4? This is basic logic I'm saying. I'm taking number 1, 6, 12, 18. Where you'll get difference 4? You'll not get difference 4. So lot many numbers are there. Lot many possibilities would be there, I guess. Right? Getting my point, Rishabh? Aryan, getting my point?
सर वो डिविजिबल
sir.
के हिसाब से ऐसे सोच सकते हैं
Ah,
different के
सर
हिसाब से.
सेम ईयर.
very true. For divisibility, it could be, but in that case also, you have to think in that way. If one number is in the form of 4n plus 1, and second number is going in different form, so that could be difference.
यस सर वो तो देख रहा हूँ.
Understand? You all have 4 minute time. Please think, then we'll discuss. Right? Take your time. No hurry, no hurry. This is the chapter where we have to think. Now take your time. Yeah, try. Still, want to say something?
No, sir.
Kavyam?
जैसे मतलब ऋषभ बोल रहा था वैसा ही कुछ, जैसे मतलब कॉलम्स में ब्रेक कर दिया तो हर जो दो कंसेक्यूटिव कॉलम्स होंगे उनमें से सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट पिक कर सकता है।
वेरी गुड बेटा, एक हिंट मैं दे रहा हूँ ना, इन दिस like direction you all have to think, right? We know that in any block we have already did this in permutation combination, right? Any block, right, we can divide this into 4 parts. This is 4n plus 1, 4n plus 2, 4n plus 3, 4n plus 4, right? So 4n plus this is how many option we have for 4n plus 1 for? It's 500, 500, 500, and 499, right? And what are the numbers coming in this? 1, 5, 9, 13, and so on. In the second form, this is 2, 6, 10, and so on. This is 3, 7, 11, and so on. This is 4, 8, 12, and so on, right? Take your time. Everyone, take your time. Now, just this is not the direct question, and obviously will not get direct question. Just every time, very good, Utkarsh. You are very close to this. Very good. But think again. Very good. The number is very good. Now it means you are getting something very close. Very good, Kavyam. Very good. So if one or two people can think, each and everyone can think. Right? Take your time. It's 1, 2, 3 up to 1999 is the total. Na? When we divide this by 4, right? So what are the terms coming? First term is 4, next is 8, then 12. So what is the last term? 2000, before 2000, right? So I can apply the AP formula in that, right? If I want to find number of terms for this one, first term is 1, and n minus 1 into d is 4 is equals to the last term. What would be the last term of this? The first one,
1997.
1990 of 6, right? So we can find value of n, or we can say you divide this 1999 by 4 with the greatest integer will be your the first one or the second one or the third one, right? Aryan, not
सर
bad.
मैंने
हाँ देखा बेटा, देखा, I'm into that. Not bad, right? अब एक दो, like very few people are left for the answers, right? And you all are very close, right? The best part is you all are very close to the answer. Very good, Rishabh. Very good. Appreciate your effort. Very good, Vita. Last 2 minutes. Yosef, any idea, beta?
So 1 minute.
Kavyam, could you explain why you are saying your number 1000?
Like जो from every consecutive column, if we separate the numbers into columns, then uh, every two adjacent columns will have a difference of four. So out of them, we can select any four numbers such that they are not adjacent. So like we can select 1, 6, 7, 8, or 2, 3, 4, 5. So the difference won't be four
Okay.
for these two columns. And there are 500 such columns, so we can select 250 pairs of numbers from these columns. And from the last column, we can select only the last three that are 1996, 1997, 1998, and 1999, and before that 1996.
Okay.
So these 250 column
Last one you are adding for, okay, one more is there, not 1999, because last number you are able to count from 1996 to 1999 one number, so that's the reason you are adding one number, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Aryan, why 1999?
सर मेरा 999 इसीलिए आया क्योंकि व्हाट आई थॉट कि वी कैन फर्स्ट टेक 1 2 3 4 and then skip the next batch like 5 6 7 8 will skip, then go to 9 10 11 12, then 17 18 19 20. There in that way we guarantee that there is no number whose difference is 4.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So that's why I divided each by half, and 499 I divided by 2 since it cannot be divisible by 2, so I took 249.
Okay, not bad. And
सर मैं बोलूं?
please.
सर मैं काव्यम जैसे प्रोसीड किया था, बट लाइक ही सेड दैट कॉलम्स का मैंने ये देखा कि वो कॉलम है उसके जस्ट जो आई मीन एक रो के इमीडिएट नीचे वाले रो का एडजेसेंट कॉलम हम ले सकते हैं,
Okay.
लेकिन उसको लेफ्ट राइट वाला नहीं ले सकते। ये
Okay.
करता गया, लेकिन मैंने वो लास्ट के 90 से 97 98 99 वाला इंक्लूड नहीं किया, इसलिए मेरे को 999 आया।
So not bad, that's good idea, right? So what we are getting from this is, first I can say the number is 15, then 59, then 913. This is the first grouping, right? When this is in the form of 4 lambda plus 1 or 4n plus 1. In 4n plus 2 we'll get the number 26, 610, and so on. And 4n plus 3 will get 3, 7, 7, 11, right, 11, 15, and so on. And the last 4n plus 0, yeah, 4n plus n, right, this is 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, and so on, right? Now, how many pairs are there? This is 500 pairs are there, right? 500 numbers are there. So 500 numbers, how many, how we can divide this in how many pairs? 250? Total number is 500, right? We are grouping with 1, 5, 2, 5, 5, 9, 9, 13, and so on. So this will be divided. This will be divided into 250 pairs, right? Directly we can say 250 pairs are there. If I'm taking one number, right? I'm proposing one number I'm taking in such a way like 5 is not taking, 1 is from this, 9 is from this, 13 is from this, and so on, or 5 is right in that way, right? So if in this pair, right, the total number 250 pairs are there where we can say we can take the numbers, right? If more than 250, right? More than 250s are possible. So 100% we are able to take one more from this, right? Uh, like I'm proposing I can write down all the numbers in increasing order, right? And we are not taking the numbers in that way. If I've taken 1, so I have to go for 9, then I have to go for not for 13, I have to go for 17. So how many options are there? Total number is 500. So exactly half of the number we are able to take from this form, right? So this I'm saying this will be 250. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone?
Yes.
Right? Same proposition will be for this. Same will be for this, but the last one. Last one, what I'm saying, if I'm going for 4, 12, 20, right? All the numbers where this number is multiplying with the odd number. 4 will be multiplied with the odd number. So what would be the last number?
1996.
Right? To 1996, when you divide by 4, what you are getting?
99.
Right? 499. Right? So you are getting 4 into 499. Right? So starting from 1 and going up to 499. Right? So like, so how many numbers are possible in this case? All the odd multiple of 4. So all the odd multiple of 4, how many odd multiple of 4 are possible? Right. So we have one, right? Total number 499. Right. 499. Half of them, like if I'll add one more, that is a 2000. So half will be 250, half will be 250. So this number is added for the even one. So the total number in this case is 250 again. So how much we are getting from all this 4 is 1000. So 1000 pairs are maximum 1000 pairs are possible where we can say we will not get multiple of 4. Is this okay? Somewhat we are doing the same column thing, right? In pairwise, in the like in this case, you can see the pigeonhole directly.
तो आपने पेयर बनाया है 155 वो तो 499 पेयर्स वैसे बनेंगे ना?
Numbers जब मैं select करूंगा, right? So how many numbers we can select? Numbers, if I am selecting 1, then 9, then not 13 from this one pair, each and every like in the same case here, what we have done, right? The last will be 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999. So the pairs I can say, see, this is starting with 15, then 59, then 913, and last will be for this will be 1993 to 1997. So if I'm selecting 1, the last number will be 1997. Right. So total number will be half of this will be 250. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Aryan. Okay, Rishabh. Okay.
सर मुझे इतना दुख हो रहा है कि मेरा आंसर सिर्फ एक ही कम था।
सर एक बार फिर से आप वो लास्ट केस का 250 समझा सकते हो?
See, what I'm doing, it's a case that 1, 5, 9, 13, 21 up to 1997, all we are writing in increasing order, right? increasing order. Like, so how many pairs, or like pair wise, if I'm saying ki 1 5 is there, 5 9 is there. So what I'm saying ki if I'm selecting 1, then I have to go for 9. So I have not to select the 13 one, then I have to go for the next one, right? So that way the last number will be 1997.
सर ये वाला नहीं, वो 4n के मल्टीपल्स वाला,
ठीक।
4n+4 वाले में 2000 तो है नहीं, तो हमने ऑड मल्टीपल्स में 249 क्यों नहीं लिया?
See, what I'm saying na ki like we have not to take the number that is the difference will be divisible by 4, right? So what I'm saying ki first number is 4, right? 4 8, then 8 12, right? So if first number is 4, second number will be 12, third number
Yes,
will
sir.
not 16, it will be 20.
Yes, sir.
I'm going. So what numbers are coming? 4 into 1, 4 into 3, 4 into
5 5 7 9 odd multiples.
499.
Yes, sir.
How many numbers we have? So I'm starting with 4 and going into going up to 1996, right? So what I'm saying, let we have the number 2000. So if number 2000, the total number will be 500.
Yes, sir.
In this total number, half will be 250, half will be 250. This
Yes.
is a 4 into multiple of even number, and half will be 4 multiple of 4.
अच्छा ठीक है सर, समझ गया सर.
I have added even one. So I'm just the calculation part,
कैलकुलेट कर दिया हमने थोड़ा सा.
not to write down the right. But this is the basic question: how to apply pigeon hole, right? Right. Second one. See, and careful, interesting topic. We have to go slow but firm, right? Second. Prove that in the 2009 numbers 1, 11, 111 up to 11111 2009 times. There is one that is divisible by 2009. That's the very good question, and little bit number system is required, right? Take your time. Again, 4 to 5 minutes you have. Then I'll give you the hint. सही है? स्टार्ट करें. स्टार्ट करें क्या? यस. आर्यन, कैसे? कुछ आइडिया?
सर से जीपी के सम के टर्म्स में लिखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
सी ना, पहले एक छोटा सा मैं हिंट दूं यहाँ पे. सी, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर? टोटल नंबर्स कितने हैं? ये बेसिक थीम है जिसको पकड़ के रखना। यही थीम होता है जिससे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने होते हैं, राइट? ये बेसिक थीम सबसे जरूरी है। तो हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर?
1009.
2009,
एंड फ्रॉम व्हाट नंबर वी हैव टू डिवाइड?
2009,
1009.
2009। तो अगर 2009 से मैं डिवाइड कर रहा हूं और 2009 डिफरेंट नंबर्स है मेरे पास, सो ये मुझे मेक श्योर करना पड़ेगा कि कोई भी दो नंबर हैं, राइट? अगर कोई नंबर 2009 से डिविजिबल नहीं है, राइट, तो रिमाइंडर अगर सब के सब डिफरेंट रिमाइंडर दे रहे हो तो क्या रिमाइंडर देंगे? अगर 1 से 2009 तक के नंबर्स हैं, सब के सब डिफरेंट रिमाइंडर दे रहे हैं, मैं बोलता हूँ अगर सब डिफरेंट रिमाइंडर्स दे रहे हैं, क्या पॉसिबल होगा? 1 2 3 4, आखिरी में क्या आएगा? 2000
Till 2000, जो कि 0 है.
डिविजिबल है। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? अगर मैं ये इंश्योर कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि नंबर वही फॉर्म दिया हुआ है मेरे को, कि अगर मेरे को 2009 नंबर्स ही गिवन है और दे आर सेइंग कि यू हैव टू चेक कि 2009 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं, तो मेरे को ये फोर्स कर रहा है, पुश कर रहा है कहाँ जाने को। वो बोल रहा है कि भाई आप केवल ये चेक कर रहे हो कि हर एक नंबर जो दिया हुआ है सबके डिफरेंट अगर रिमाइंडर होंगे तो मेरा काम बन जाएगा। मतलब मुझे यही प्रूव करना है कि कोई भी दो नंबर जो हैं उनके रिमाइंडर सेम नहीं होंगे। और पिजन होल भी यहां पर हमारे लिए फुलफिल कर रहा है, नहीं? दोनों कंडीशन मेरे पास साफ है। मतलब क्वेश्चन में पूरा मिला के मेरे को पिन पॉइंट यहां पर आ गया कि आई हैव टू प्रूव कि नो टू नंबर्स आर देयर whose reminders are same. Take your time. I hope everyone is understanding this. I hope everyone is understanding this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now try. Sanjana, this is the next question, beta. Should I start?
1.
फिर से बोलो के अरे बैटमैन is also joining Spider, but I like a Spider-Man.
सर आई थिंक हो गया सर, लेकिन मुझे आ रहा है कि अगर रिपीट हुआ भी तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लाइक तब भी पॉसिबल है कि मतलब 2009 से डिविजिबल हो।
अगर रिमाइंडर रिपीट हुआ तो मान लो मैं
यस
बोलता
सर।
हूँ 5 ऐसे नंबर्स है जिनका रिमाइंडर 1 आ रहा है और सब
यस
नंबर्स
सर।
2 3 4 अप टू 2007 आ रहा है।
तो उनका मतलब डिफरेंस लेंगे तो फिर वो 2009 से डिविजिबल हो, एंड फिर जीरोज लाइक बी वन जीरो फॉर्म।
Good. Something sounds good. Kavyam, please explain. Sounds very good. Hmm.
लाइक कोई भी 2009 n प्लस के रिपीट होता है तो 2009 n1 प्लस के इज 1111 a टाइम्स एंड 2009 n2 प्लस के इज 1111 b टाइम्स, सो उनका डिफरेंस विल बी 1111 a minus b times then 0000 is equal to 2009 times.
Very good. Very good. Very good observation. I mean, it's a basic thing, but actually where we have to apply this for the trick, right? See, so what we have understood with this, in this case, right, the numbers are 1, 11, 111, 11114 times, and up to 111111, 2000 of 9 times, right? So just we have to prove two numbers, right? We are going to prove this by contradiction. We are assuming that two numbers having same remainder, right? So let one number is 1 m times, and second number 1 n times, right? Where m and the both the numbers I can say m and 0 to 2009, in between both the numbers are coming between 0 to 2009, 0 open, or I can write this as 1 to 2009, right? But m and n are not equal. Is this okay? Is this okay? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone, right? So if two numbers are there, let this is capital M and let this is capital N, right? Two numbers are there and we are saying that both having the remainder same, right, when dividing by 2009. So m is coming as 2009 m1 plus r, and n is coming as 2009 n1 plus r, both having the same remainder, right? Means when I'll subtract both m minus n, so this must be 2009 m1 minus n1. So this must be a factor of 2009. This must be a factor of 2009, right? So if I'll subtract m minus n, this must have a factor of 2009. So what is m minus n? 1. It's n minus. This I'm writing m minus n, right? Minus 1 n times. This is m times. This is n times. So this will be 1 0 n times, and this is m minus n times. Is this okay? Right? Right? But this is the number that's coming. This is the in between this number, and this is divisible by 2009. Right? So two things are coming in this. If this is 1 m minus n times and 10 to the power n times. right? So these two numbers are coming here, right? So either 2010 to the power n will be divided by 2009, or this number will be divided by 2009. We know that this is not possible with 10 to the power n divided by 2009. And 100% this is again not possible because this number is coming in between any of this number, right? M minus n times, right? So this is again not possible. So both the numbers are not divisible by 2009. So this is wrong. So this is wrong. So this is wrong. So this is wrong. So, right? So each and every number having different remainder. And 2009 numbers having different remainders means it must have one of the remainder that is 0. And 0 remainder means the number must be divisible by 2009. Is this okay or not? Is this okay?
तो बस हमने assumption का लिया था कि like मतलब 1111 वाला form is not divisible by 2009.
If the number is divisible by 2009, so already it is proved now that I have to prove if one of the number is divisible by 2009.
तो नहीं like मतलब every number is मतलब every number has a different remainder.
Remainder, we are saying कि few of the numbers having same remainder and that is not equal to 0. Few of the number having same remainder, but that is not equal to 0. Means when we are dividing this number by 2009, we are getting remainder as 1, like 2, 3, 4 numbers are there that having remainder 1. So 100% like we can say कि भाई बहुत सारे number है, but 5 numbers are coming whose remainders are 1. 7 numbers are coming whose remainders are 2. Right, 10 numbers are there whose remainders are 3. So we can collect 2009 numbers whose remainders are not 0, and it is coming in between, like something like that. Ki if I have taken the number is in the form of 4n plus 1, 4n plus 2, and 4n plus 3. Now I'm saying, no numbers are there that's having the property 4n plus 4. So I'm saying if I'll select any number is in the form of 4n plus 1 or 4n plus 2 or 3, so I'll not get remainder as 0. But all the numbers having remainder either 1 or 2 or 3.
Yes, sir.
Right? So, see. So if I'm saying m minus n, so what is the meaning of this m minus n? M minus n means the number 11111 coming m times minus 11111 number coming as n times, right? So if I'll subtract both the numbers, what is the meaning of this? 11111 m times minus 11111 m times, right? So this number is 11111 m minus n times and 0000 n times. Is this okay? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is the number. This number is in the form of 11111 m minus n times into 10 to the power n. So having two factors. And we know that 10 to the power n is not divisible by 2009. So if this number has to divisible by 2009, the possibilities are only 11111. This m minus n times must be divisible by 2009. Is this okay? Now, this number, right, this number is coming from this set only. This number is coming from this set only. And if we are saying that this number is divisible by 2009, so already we have taken that no number is divisible by 2009. That's we are proving. So if you have taken, okay, this number is divisible by 2009, already we have proved what we have to prove. If you are taking this number is not divisible by 9, so obviously this will contradiction of our this statement. We are saying one number is n, another number is n, and this is coming as the same remainder. So if I'll subtract this one number, one of the factor is 2009. So in both the way, we are getting what we want to get. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, everyone. Good,
Yes,
Yes.
good one, na?
yes, sir.
Nice arrangement. Okay. Okay. Same question I'm giving in different form, right? So this time, my expectation is you'll crack that, right? Prove that for any given 50 positive integers, it is always possible to select out 4 numbers A1, A2, A3, A4 from them such that A2 minus A1 into A4 minus A3 is a multiple of 2009.
Sir,
Same,
are the numbers consecutive?
if not consecutive, then you are getting the answer. Again, you have to play with the remainder. Again, we have to play with the remainder, right? Take your time, think. चलो ऐसा करता हूँ, ये वाले क्वेश्चन को just I'm converting this for your homework because the same logic is there, but you have to apply, right? So take your time, your homework. Now I'm giving you, right, a different type of question, not using the number system, right? If 5 points,
सर वो वाला क्वेश्चन शायद हो गया.
हाँ बेटा होगा, बट टेक योर टाइम, गड़बड़ होने के चांस इतना जल्दी में टेकन
सर क्योंकि फैक्टर्स पिछले क्वेश्चन में ही निकाल लिए थे 2009 के, तो उससे
तो
शायद easy हो.
49 into 41 से अगर consecutive होंगे नंबर तो इजी है फिर.
वेरी गुड,
हाँ
बस
सर.
उसी पर दिमाग लगाना है बस. वेरी गुड, गुड गोइंग. टेकन एट रैंडम फ्रॉम within a square of side 1. Prove that there must be two of them such that the distance between them is not greater than root 2 by 2.
So done.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड. इतना कम भी टाइम नहीं लेना था, थोड़ा सा लिखना था. Try the previous one. Very good.
Sir,
Very good. Very good.
So previous one एक और का दिखा सकते हो screenshot.
This one,
Previous.
previous one.
Okay. Sir.
This is a very simple question, a well-known question, right? What I have given now. The best example of practical example of vision. Just you have to, in these type of questions, just you have to draw the figure. Greater than root 2 by 2, 1 by root 2.
Done, sir.
Very good. Okay, this one is okay. This is the square, right?
Sir, done.
Very good, everyone. What you have to do in this square?
So put the 5 points randomly.
Put the 4 point instead of 5. Right. The maximum apart from this will be all the 5 points, like maximum apart from each other. Right. And the 5th point will be this one.
yes, sir.
This is the extremum case.
As this is the hypotenuse related to each friend.
Right. So this is the hypotenuse. Very good. And this was the side 1. So this is the side half, half. Right. So that's it. This okay? Is this okay, everyone? Sanjana, is this okay? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Pentagon. Hmm? But it's given that it is randomly within a square, na? Hmm? So this, I can say this could be the case, right? Okay. Okay. Same question in different form, right? See this carefully. That's good. When inserting n+1 points on the segment OA at random, right? Prove that there must be two of them with a distance not greater than 1 by.
So what is the length of OA?
Any length L. Any length L. You can start with any length or unit length, right?
So if it is unit length, then length.
Good. This is the generalization of this, and this is a very simple question, right? Based on this, right, you'll get more question based on this.
सर ओए की लेंथ में
Unit, unit length ले लो या L length लेके you can divide this.
Sir,
सर एल लेंस लेके कैसा होगा when we take L length?
L length को we can write down this n+1 point and L by n.
Okay, so then done.
Okay. Now direct question. This is a direct question, right? I hope everyone is getting this. Rishabh, this okay? मैच देख रहा है तू? ऋषभ,
नहीं सर।
लगा मेरे को क्यों ऐसा?
अरे सर वो दूर से मम्मा एसी ऑफ करने बोली।
अच्छा, हम्म, ठीक है ना? This is the unit length, and just you have to divide this by n+1 point. Just every segment is 1 by n length. Right. So if you will disturb any one point, obviously the length will be going in different ways. I hope you all are doing the same thing or कुछ different लिया किसी ने?
sir, मैंने वही किया.
Prove that among any 7, excuse me, any 7 distinct integers, there must be two such that two such integers such that their difference is divisible by 10. And very good everyone, right? You all are just getting this, and like very good time. You all are just connecting with this vision. Yes. Could you start?
सेवन हम लोग 1 to 7 नंबर्स लेंगे तो उसे कैसे 10 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं?
1 to 7 you have taken now. So just you have to take two numbers now.
Yes.
So their difference. So 1 to 7 number जो भी like पूरे जो हमारे बन रहे हैं, जो नंबर्स हमारे पास हो रहे हैं, राइट? तो वी हैव टू थिंक इन दैट वे कि वो नंबर्स हमारे पास जो हैं 7 नंबर्स में, क्या वो पॉसिबली होंगे जो पूरे के पूरे नंबर हमारे 10 से डिविजिबल पॉसिबल हो पाए, राइट? 1 वाले 1 के साथ हो जाए, या 2 वाले 2 के साथ हो, या 5 वाले हैं मेरे पास नंबर, तो क्या ये पॉसिबल कर पाएंगे? कहीं ऐसा है पॉसिबल? थिंक ऑन दिस.
सर आप थोड़ा सा हिंट दे सकते हैं?
See, if we are taking the numbers as one pair as 0, 5, right? Second pair as 1, 9, third pair as 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6. Now think. maybe the sum or the difference is divisible in the same way. May I read the question again? Prove that among any 7 distinct integers, there must be 2 such that their sum or difference is divisible by 10. फिर से read करूं? Yeah, it's okay, everyone. May I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay. Done, class.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, beta, no problem. Take your time. Reserve.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Abhyam. Sanjana. Aryan. Done. Yes. Very good. Just explain, please.
So we can take like numbers like 10n plus 1, 10n plus 2, or like then we can try for the pairs which have remainder 0 or their difference, sum or the difference, like 10n plus 1 and 10n plus 9, 10n plus 2 and 10n plus 8, like this.
Very good.
And we can also do this for the difference also, like I think in the question it's written difference also.
Some more difference.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we have these one.
Sir, one more case where it is 10 lambda also. No? 6 cases.
Look, just I can do one thing. Ten lambda plus 10. Right? So if I'm taking this number, right? So sum will be divisible by 10, or this number, or this number, or this number, or this number, or this number. If all I'm taking from, all are coming from different, right? So P's and P's and whole, if you all are understanding this. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 numbers we can take from this. But 7th number, when we have to take from one of them, right? So 100%, if 7th number is coming and it is going on any one of the set. So if this is in the form of 10 lambda plus 2 or 10 lambda plus 8, 100% the sum of this number will be divided by 10. Or if I'm taking both the numbers same as 10 lambda plus 2 and 10 lambda plus 2, so difference must be divided by 10. Is this okay? Is this okay? Same thing you have done, Reserve? Utkars?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो मैंने 5 मतलब 5 लैम्डा प्लस 1 वैसा बना मतलब 5 लैम्डा प्लस R1 R2
5 lambda.
तो मतलब जो 7 नंबर है A1 A2 A3 मैंने माना कि इज इक्वल टू 5 लैम्डा 1 प्लस R1 5 लैम्डा 2 प्लस R2 so अगर R1 R2 सेम हो गए देन डिफरेंस विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 5 एंड मतलब एंड टू अवॉइड दैट मतलब सबको डिफरेंट करेंगे बट देन हमारे पास 7 नंबर्स है तो एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ देम बाय पिजन होल प्रिंसिपल एटलीस्ट टू ऑफ देम विल हैव
You were
द
saying कि
सेम
सबको 5 lambda plus 1 5 lambda plus 2 up to 5 lambda plus 4 के फॉर्म में ले लिया and just you
Yeah.
are putting two of them as same. So 336 plus 1 7. Yes, not bad. That will work.
बट इसमें
हाँ,
2 का
तो difference
मेरे
will be same ना.
हाँ
Difference will be there, right? If two numbers are coming from same 10 lambda plus 2 10 lambda plus 2, so difference will be divisible by 10. If we are taking two numbers from the same set of 10 lambda plus 2 or 10 lambda plus 8, so sum is not coming as 10, then the difference will be coming as divisible by 10. Right. So either the sum or the difference will be always coming as divisible by 10. Right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So just a minute, 2 minute और देना मेरे को. Right. Just a minute. Wait.